of getting to the ground. When we are around supersonic, a parachute comes out. This takes out about 4% of the remaining 5%. Heat shield comes off. The rover wheels come down. And wait for it. It comes out of the back shell. Okay? So the sky crane and the rover are attached to each other. So this is a rocket-powered helicopter now on the way to the ground. Horizontally, it's barely moving. Vertically, it's a meter or so a second. And now it's going to roll the rover down on a set of cables from the sky crane. It's now going to slowly descend. It's going to touch down. When it recognizes touchdown, and the rover is the one to tell itself that it's on the ground, it'll cut the cables. Sky crane goes away and just crashes off in the distance. Don't need it anymore. Its job is done. Out of fuel, basically. Now we unpack the rover. So that sequence that you just saw in about 40 seconds is 6 minutes long. So it's because the light time, the radio time between Mars and Earth is around 7 minutes or 8 minutes. This whole thing happens before we even see it start. So we don't know the end until it's all over. So I'm going to let this run for another minute or so. You will see it drive off. You can keep an eye on this. It's going to actually show you how ChemCam is going to work, which is kind of fun. But this is the end of the presentations, and I'm going to open it up for questions. We got enough time for just a couple of questions. I think you were first.
If I look at the mass of the rover, what fraction of the rover mass, what fraction is the rover mass of the entire package?
The entry mass at the top of the atmosphere is a little over 3,000 kilograms. And the landed mass, which is the rover and all the instruments,